how to remove your organization name on Godaddy easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove and delete it easy and quick. First, open your browser, and now once you're here, click account settings and then click my profile, and now go to this one here, organization, click on it, and then all you need to do just click and delete it, and that's it. Now just go back, wait, first just click on it and then just type a point here and then update, and as you see, that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.